Shiba army, hello Shiba Inu holders, what's going on in this time in the Shiba? My friends, in this video I'm going to show you the Shiba Inu army community price prediction. What's the prediction for Shiba Inu in 2021? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the price prediction, and please subscribe my channel. You can see here, let's see the price prediction of the Shiba Inu for 2021. You can see it, my friends, and that is the Shiba army community. A lot of masters of the cryptocurrencies predicated this price for the Shiba and the 2021, my friends. So you can see here that despite its launch in 2020, the altcoin began trading at a negligible price only after 2021 rolled out. And the same way, when Bitcoin sold off his Shiba token, the price dipped greatly and fell near 0.001809 USD dollar from 0.00003043 USD dollar, my friends. Absolutely, my friends. When Bitcoin sold, my friends, Shiba token, so the price is very barely affected by his solding, my friends. You can see here that price falls down from this. You can see here. Anyways, no sooner the market crash wiped off a significant percent and the altcoin tumbled to 0.000913 USD dollar. So now that's the current price prediction for Shiba Inu. The Shiba price has always hit the prime side quickly after being listed by any exchange. Subsequently, when Binance listed the token, the price moved towards the north. If in the coming months new exchange lists Shiba, then the price may erupt again and might even hit. My friends, you can see that is the target for a Shiba Inu target, 0.000018 USD dollar. And for 2021, that's the target for a Shiba Inu, my friends. What do you think about this prediction? And my friends, that is the 100% good prediction, 100% right prediction about the Shiba Inu, my friends. On the other hand, new to the crypto space, the meme currency is highly volatile, therefore including uncertainty of investment and margins. If Shiba rises in a volatility, then the price may strike at the bottom ends at 0. You can see here, and the bottom ends. You can see here that is the price is in bottom between these prices. On the other hand, if the coin continues to trend in the market with its current traders, then Shiba token price may move at average figures, my friends. But my friends, you know what? That's clear by this price prediction that there's not possibilities. Shiba Inu, my friends, we can't say about the future, but I think according to this price prediction, Shiba Inu cannot hit a 1 USD dollar in 2021. Very difficult task for Shiba Inu to hit a 1 USD dollar in 2021. You can see here, please subscribe my channel for more price prediction. You can see it for 22, the Shiba Inu price prediction for 2022 will be coming soon. Subscribe now for more news and update videos.